Most used English vocabulary words with meanings. Perfect for daily English conversations and beginners. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary refers to the words we use to communicate. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself in English. Below is a list of 50 commonly used English words along with their meanings and example sentences for daily use. Top 50 most used English words with meanings and examples. 1. Hello, a greeting. Hello, how are you? 2. Good, pleasant, nice. Does food taste good? 3. Bad, not good. It was a bad day. 4. Yes, to agree or confirm. Yes, I like tea. 5. No, to disagree or deny. No, I don't want it. 6. Please, a polite request. Please help me. 7. Thank you, to show gratitude. Thank you for your help. 8. Sorry, to apologize. I'm sorry I'm late. 9. Friend, someone you like and trust. She's my best friend. 10. Family, people related to you. I love my family. 11. Eat, to consume food. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. 12. Drink, to consume liquids. I drink water every hour. 13. Sleep, to rest at night. He sleeps for 8 hours. 14. Work, to do a job or task. I work at a bank. 15. Study, to learn something. I study English every day. 16. Happy, feeling joy. I'm happy today. 17. Sad, feeling sorrow. She's sad about the news. 18. Big, large in size. They live in a big house. 19. Small, little in size. This is a small cup. 20. Fast, quick. He runs fast. 21. Slow, not fast. The internet is slow. 22. Easy, not difficult. This test is easy. 23. Hard, difficult. That question is hard. 24. Hot, high temperature. It's very hot today. 25. Cold, low temperature. The water is cold. 26. Day, the time with sunlight. Today is a sunny day. 27. Night, time when it's dark. I sleep at night. 28. Morning, early part of the day. Good morning. 29. Evening, late part of the day. Good evening, sir. 30. Time, a point or period when something happens. What time is it? 31. Money, currency used to buy things. I need some money. 32. Water, clear liquid we drink. Drink more water. 33. Food, things we eat. The food smells great. 34. House, a building where people live. This is my house. 35. School, a place to study. Children go to school. 36. Teacher, a person who teaches. My teacher is kind. 37. Student, a person who learns. She is a good student. 38. Question, something you ask. I have a question. 39. Answer, a reply to a question. He gave the right answer. 40. Book, something you read. I am reading a book. 41. Phone, a device to call or text. My phone is on the table. 42. Car, a vehicle to drive. He drives a red car. 43. Bus, public transport. The bus is late. 44. Street, a public road. We live on this street. 45. Market, a place to buy things. She went to the market. 46. Beautiful, very attractive. She has a beautiful smile. 47. Smart, intelligent. He's a smart boy. 48. Strong, physically powerful. He is very strong. 49. Weak, not strong. I feel weak today. 50. Love, a deep feeling of affection. I love my parents. Tips to remember vocabulary. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Memrise. Write one sentence daily with each new word. Group words into categories like food, feelings, actions, etc. Try to use new words in conversation.